Hi guys, today we're taking a look at my new eyeshadow palette by Drunken Charm. So this is a palette of 24 colors, kind of a mix of purple and reds, all very kind of like warm tones. So I'm going to start out with a little bit of a swatch test here. So I started on the second row, that was Belly, Weekend, Blaze is what we're doing now. Then we'll do one in the color Shot, Peach, Wild, Samog, Ignore, Drift, Roar, Dark Rage, Rose, and Coffee. So that's your whole lower palette of colors. You can see all very pigmented. These were super soft. The foiled ones too had great color payoff with using my fingertips. Wow, that deep red one, Drift, what a vibrant color. I'm really amazed with the reds because reds oftentimes don't have enough color payoff. For this being such an affordable palette, I am impressed. Then I move on to the top row. I guess I was just so excited to get to trying those bottom warm ones. This top one has more kind of like purpley and browns, which is kind of more my regular daytime colors. The first five, I would say, would be my go-to ones, and then that bottom row is kind of colors I wear all the time. Once in a while, I'll do like a little pop of purple or aqua, kind of like along the waterline or lower, like little pop of colors. So these purples will also get some use, but those like kind of neutral beige tones or warmer ones are generally my go-to kind of style. And I do like that they've included some deeper ones that are great for lining, such as Stage and Coffee. Those two would make a great liner if you have a fine pen. So I'm going to apply it to my face now. So I'm starting with a base shadow. I think I started with cream and then cocoa. And then I go into my crease with Admire just because it was a nice neutral, easy transitional color. Then I go to the bottom. I think that was Peach. Yes, that was Peach. And just kind of rotating that to deepen my crease just a little bit more with a fluffy brush. This is a great daytime look. And then I take a shimmer that is Tango with a flat style brush to just pat that down. That would work great with just a fingertip as well if that is all you have. Then I take a dense crease brush to use that darker V. I think that was in the Drift color. Love these kind of red tones. They just add a lot of warmth. And then I've applied a little bit of liner and just some outer lashes just to give me a little bit of lift in the corner eye. And then this is how it wore after about 4 hours. So great wear time. Definitely check it out.